Good afternoon to the Kringle community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olonolowu Ayinde, also known as Sapphire Jewel. We bless God for what God is doing in our community. Don't forget, TBC is not just a currency with a mission. It is a mission with a currency. And part of the main mission of TBC is to eradicate poverty on earth, is to change the inequality in our world. TBC has come to give freedom, has come to give liberty to mankind. So, guys, still in line with the developments happening right now within the community. Today, they had me with again shed more light on how to access these great global fundings through the Lifeforce assurance. So, guys, we'll be having our mass adoption training by 4 p.m. West African time. Don't miss it for anything. It's a meeting that is worth to be in attendance. Do all within your best, in your offices, in your various homes, even while driving in your car. Just connect to it. Log into your clinical back office. Under meeting, you will see mass adoption meeting. There you will find the Zoom link. So, and for many of us who are on different platforms, the links has been sent. So click on the link, join the Zoom meeting. Let us have a wonderful time, a wonderful session of training under our able admin. It promised to be a wonderful and unique training, and it promised to guide us on how to access these fundings, on all the steps we need to take further. So, guys, we are looking forward to see you by 4 p.m. West African time for the mass adoption training. There is 1,000 seats available, so come on board. Waiting for you to see you. Thank you. Love you all. TBC, Eradicating Poverty, giving voice